Copywriting is undoubtedly one of the highest paying skills online. In this digital age, as the business and organizations are going online, they need skilled copywriters to make persuasive copy so they could create more sales conversion for them. Knowing how to write a copy that sells is a valuable skill that can take your career to new heights. But let's face it, attending expensive copywriting courses is out of reach for many people. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you top free copywriting courses that you can use to start your copywriting career and learn the art of writing persuasive copy. Hi, I'm Harsha. I'm a tutor and a content writer. My blog, Aspired Wisdom, is dedicated to help you people to find free courses online and to find the best e-learning platform that can help you to cater your needs. Before starting with the free copywriting courses, it's very important to understand what copywriting is and what is the difference between copywriting and the content writing, because people usually get confused in copywriting and content writing. So, what is copywriting? Copywriting is an art of writing persuasive copy, which is known as copy, ad copy, or sales copy. Persuasive and engaging copy is designed to increase brand awareness, generate leads, create sales, and create customer interest. Effective copywriting aims at capturing the reader's attention, build interest in the product and service being offered, create a desire to own or buy that product and service, and provide a clear and compelling call to action that motivates the reader to take that particular action. Copywriting can be found in product descriptions, print ads, social media posts, email campaigns, and more. Copywriting has become a crucial skill for today's digital age. As every business is going online, they need someone who can write the persuasive copy so their conversion of sales would increase. Difference between copywriting and content writing. Many people get confused about copywriting and content writing. When I first heard about copywriting and content writing, I thought they are both similar. But when I came to know about it, I understood the difference. So this is the basic misunderstanding which many people have. So let's clear that. Copywriting is focused on creating persuasive and compelling content that would attract the readers to take the particular action. That action can be to buy a particular product, to click on a particular link, to sign up for some services, or something else. Copywriting is majorly used in marketing, sales, and advertising. Content writing, on the other hand, is more focused on providing information, educating the reader, and providing entertainment to the reader. The goal of content writer is to engage the reader and provide valuable information, rather than to sell a product or services directly. Content writing is used in variety of mediums such as blog posts, articles, social media posts, etc. While both copywriting and content writing require strong writing skills and the understanding of the target audience, the major difference is the copywriting is used to sell product and service, and content writing is used to provide information to the readers. So now that we understand what copywriting is and what is the major difference between copywriting and content writing, let's continue and discuss top free copywriting courses that you can take to start your copywriting career. First, mastering the art of ad copy, creative, and conversion. This course is provided by HubSpot Academy. It's a totally free course. This course will help you to understand SEO, email, content generation, and many more. This course is a part of a free digital marketing course, and it will help you to understand in depth the copywriting. This course is good for the beginners. If you don't know anything about the copywriting, this course will help you to start from scratch and understand the copywriting from the basic foundation. Second, basic concepts and techniques for copywriting. This course is provided by Ellison. It's a totally free course. As a beginner, you can take this course and understand the copywriting from the beginning. This will help you to understand the basics of the copywriting and how to use that persuasive words to attract the readers. This course will be very effective for you, and it will help you to understand the different areas of the copywriting. Third, effective copywriting basics for entrepreneurs. This course is provided on Udemy, and it's a totally free course. This course is great for the beginners as it explains everything in detail and in very simple format. This course will explain you how to write headlines, what are the basics of copywriting, how to write persuasive copy, how to write sales letter, and etc. This is a short course that covers all the basics of the copywriting. Fourth, Copywriting for Conversion, How to Write Persuasive Content. This course is provided on Allison. It's a free course. This course will help you to understand how to write persuasive content. This course is totally focused on persuasive writing. This course will help you to understand how copywriter attracts the customer and what tricks and techniques they use to actually persuade the customer with their words. As the name says, the course is totally focused on how to write persuasive content. So this course will definitely help you to understand the fundamentals of writing a persuasive copy. Fifth, Learning to Write Marketing Copy. This course is provided by LinkedIn. This course will help you to understand the basics of the copywriting. It will also explain the headlines, the art of writing, what tools you can use as a copywriter, and many other things. This course is great for the people who don't know anything about copywriting. You can find this course on LinkedIn. It's a paid course. But I told you that I'll provide you with free courses, right? So what you have to do is go on LinkedIn. LinkedIn offers you a free month trial. So you can start your trial for a free month and you can get this course for free. And other than this course, you can also enroll in different courses and get the certificates as well. There are many other copywriting courses on LinkedIn which will help you to further your career. So feel free to go and check other copywriting courses on LinkedIn as well. Sixth, Become a Copywriter Pro from ground up. This course is provided by Edunix Learning Solutions. This course will help you to understand the basics of the copywriting. It will help you to build up your copywriting career from the ground. This course will definitely help you to understand how to create persuasive copy and how to do creative writing. These are the 6 copywriting courses that I wanted to share with you today. But I have another course and take it as a bonus course. This course is not per se a copywriting course, but it will help you to increase your writing skills. This course is Diploma in Effective Writing Skill. This course is provided on Allison. This course is focused on writing skills. This course will help you to understand how to write effectively, how to use your words to persuade others, and at the same time to use that skill to express your idea with confidence and power. This course will definitely help you to improve your writing skills. That's it for today's video. I wanted to share with you the free copywriting courses and an advanced writing skill course. As copywriting is one of the highest paying skill, many people are actually aspiring to become copywriter. I hope with these 3 courses you can pursue your career as a copywriter. Free copywriting courses will help you to start your career. But only learning these courses will not help you to become the best copywriters. You need to practice and practice every time. I have watched many of these courses and I have taken some of the courses myself. And in each and every course, the similar thing that has been told, that a copywriter is learning throughout their life. And that's a true point. Everyone is learning throughout their point. As a content writer, I'm writing blogs and now also I learn and take new courses every time to understand the basic skills and into my writing. So as a writer, it is always your duty to practice and to understand the different things. Other than these courses, go on YouTube. There are many other courses which you will find on YouTube. There are many YouTubers which are putting out the videos for copywriting. My favorite when it comes to copywriting is Alex. Her way of talking, her way of writing, and her way of practice for copywriting is the best. And I have watched many of her videos and I still watch her videos because I like her a lot. This is not a sales promotion which I'm doing over here. I'm just sharing with you what I truly like. She is the one I really look up to, and whenever I want to understand something about copywriting or something like that, I always go and watch her videos. Her videos are truly very helpful. So do try out her videos. She has a lot of videos on copywriting. Please let me know in the comments if this video was helpful to you. Links for all the courses would be provided in the description. So you can take that link and go to that particular courses. Just to be clear again, these are not any of my affiliate links. I'm not doing any promotion. I'm simply helping you guys out here. So you can use that link and go and enroll in those courses. So do subscribe my channel and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video and share it with your friends and family to whom you think this video can help. And I have a question for you guys. Why do you like to write? So meet me in the comment section and tell me what inspired you to become a writer. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.